CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.10 Given a scenario, install and configure browsers and relevant security settings. Browser extensions. Browser extensions, also known as add-ons or plugins, are software programs that integrate with your web browser. They are designed to extend the functionality of the browser and provide extra features for tasks like ad and script blocking, language translation, password management, and much more. While extensions and plugins can be extremely useful, it's important to be cautious about where you get them, as they can also pose security risks. When adding extensions to your browser, it's always best to use trusted sources. This typically means using the official extension store for your browser, like the Chrome Web Store, Firefox Ad-Ons, or Microsoft Edge Ad-Ons site. Extensions found here have usually undergone some form of review process to ensure they're safe to use. Trusted sources provide extensions that are more likely to be secure, updated regularly, and compatible with your browser. Also, be sure to check the permissions requested by the extension. For example, if an ad blocker is asking for permission to access all your data, that's a red flag. On the other hand, installing extensions from untrusted sources can lead to serious security issues. Extensions from unofficial websites, random links, or even shady email attachments can be risky. They might contain malware, spyware, or code that tracks your online activity. Some malicious extensions even masquerade as useful tools but can hijack your browser, redirecting you to unwanted sites or bombarding you with pop-ups. To stay safe, avoid installing extensions from sites you don't recognize or links that weren't directly recommended by a trusted source. Even if an extension looks legitimate, its code might be altered or designed to steal your data. Stick to well-known and reviewed extensions, and if something seems suspicious, it's best to steer clear. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.